Hello, I hope all is well. Uh, this is William, and I'm a tour consultant, and we have developed uh, a safari itinerary making app that will save you a lot of time. So today, I want us to show you how this safari-oriented CRM works. And the first step is where you begin. When you get a lead, you need to add it to the CRM so that you move on to the next steps, which are sending them an itinerary and starting engaging them for the deposit payment. And you hope that you'll come to Kenya. So once you log in into the Safari app, uh, you're met with this dashboard. So the first step is you input the operator PIN provided, uh, so that you go to your company. Next, you're met with this dashboard, which basically is the names of all the people and their roles in the company. So, for example, my name is William and I'm a tour consultant. So once I click there and I enter my PIN, that is the PIN provided, uh, I'm able to log into this dashboard. And when I log into this dashboard, I can see a lot here. I can see from the top, this is the Gold World Safari Tour platform. You can see the calculator, the CRM, the client view, and the company name. So my interest here today is the CRM. So as you can see, the CRM has a AI lead assistant at the top, and going down, we have this button, which will be our main focus today, add lead with a plus. So click on that, and here you have the different fields which you're going to have. The client details is what is important here for now. So you can start with the name. Let's say the name of the client is James Turner. Phone number is from America, +1 533 3333. That's a dummy number. James wants to come to Masai Mara. Masai Mara and Nakuru. All right. His email is jturner@gmail.com. So we have entered the client's details. Next, we have the Safari details, which are also important. This is the travel date. So let's say James wants to come next year in January, which is January 2027, on 5th. Okay, and he wants to do a 3-day trip. So he means he returns on January 8th. Is that correct? Okay, that's January 8th. That's a 3 nights. 3 nights and 4-day safari. Group size is just 2 people, him and his wife. Some leads provide budget. So and you need to choose the currency here. So let's say it's of course USA USD, and maybe their budget is 5,000 USD. You need to select the source. We hope that this came, we are assuming this came from the website. So the next parts are after you engage the client, which are the follow-up, the documents you need to attach later, tracking the payment. You add the hotels and their status, any extra activities, or any other notes that you might need on this dashboard. So basically, this is what you as a tour consultant will be seeing on this dashboard. Once you save that lead, you will see it on your left side under the new lead. column. And then we can move to the next step, which is sending the client a quote, which we are going to tackle in the next video. Thanks you so much for your time, and I hope you will try to add a lead, and if you face any difficulties you can comment below. Thank you. Bye.